In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new contact from WhatsApp Web. If you're using WhatsApp on your computer and need to save someone as a new contact, the process is very quick and straightforward. This is especially helpful if you've started chatting with someone new and want to save their information without leaving WhatsApp Web. I'll walk you through exactly what to do so you can follow along easily. To begin, look near the top area of WhatsApp Web for the plus sign. This is the shortcut that lets you start creating something new, including a new contact. Go ahead and click on that plus sign. Depending on your screen layout or version of WhatsApp Web, this option may be displayed a little differently, but it should be easy to spot in the upper section of the interface. If you don't want to use the plus sign, or if your layout shows the menu another way, you can also click on the option labeled New Contact. This takes you to the same place and starts the process of adding someone to your contact list. Either option works, so just use whichever one appears on your screen. Once the new contact form opens, you'll need to type in the details. Enter the person's information carefully in the available fields. This usually includes the name and phone number, and in some cases, there may be additional fields depending on how your system is set up. Take a moment to double check everything before moving on, because even a small mistake in the number can make it harder to find or message that person later. It's a good idea to make sure the phone number is entered in the correct format, including the country code if needed. That can help WhatsApp recognize the contact properly, especially for international numbers. Also, try to use a clear and recognizable name so the contact is easy to find in your list later. After you've entered the details, the contact will be ready to save through the contact form on your device or linked account. From there, you should be able to return to WhatsApp Web and continue your conversation more easily with the saved contact appearing in your list. And that's it. That's how to add a new contact from WhatsApp Web. Once you've done it once, it becomes a very fast process and makes managing your chats much more convenient.